Wondering how to add timeless beauty to your outdoor space without the hassle of maintenance? If so, then you need to check out our stone base wishing wells. Crafted from real stone and designed to bring elegance to any setting. Discover the endless possibilities to transform your lawn or garden into a mesmerizing oasis. Watch this product video now to learn more and unlock the magic of our stone base wishing wells. So let's not waste any more time and start right now. My name is Walter the Lightkeeper, and I'm a personal assistant, the Lighthouse Man. Here at the Lighthouse Man, we refuse to settle for boring uniformity. We provide you with a palette of options, allowing you to customize your wishing well to perfectly match your vision and style. Again, our wishing wells offer a symphony of choices, seamlessly blending form, function, and personal style. Select from 3 stunning stone color options, each with its unique charm and character. These stone colors include natural gray, a symphony of subtle shades, embodies elegance and timeless appeal. 2. Tan stone, a neutral balance of earthy hues and tones, exudes a calming serenity. And 3 is our brown stone, a captivating array of deep, rich colors, and just adds a touch of rustic splendor. Now complement your chosen stone with a grout color that harmonizes or contrasts, creating a visual masterpiece that reflects your personal aesthetic. Our optional grout colors come in black, gray, tan, and ivory, all working and dancing together, accentuating the intricate details of the stone. Embrace the uniqueness of our stone bases, for no two are precisely alike. Each stone possesses its own distinct color, size, and shape, ensuring that your garden wishing well is a truly one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Rest assured, our skilled artisans here at the Lighthouse Man meticulously select and match the stones, creating a harmonious composition that's sure to captivate. Now, moving up from the stone base, you will discover our maintenance-free, sturdy, and strong poly-post arms and support brackets, seamlessly blending into our A-frame roof design. Our tops are handcrafted with care and precision. The top section of our wishing well is a masterpiece of durable, maintenance-free poly. It's a tribute to both aesthetics and functionality. Poly, originating from recycled plastic products, is sustainable and evokes the charm of real wood, minus the upkeep, making them maintenance-free and built to last. Now be prepared to be mesmerized by our roof design. Its intricate detailing showcases exceptional craftsmanship, with every element carefully crafted from top-notch poly. Supported by a steadfast exterior-treated lumber core frame, this roof design is guaranteed to stand the test of time, holding firm against the elements. Next, witness the grandeur of our wishing wells, crafted in 4 distinct sizes, beckoning you to embark on a journey of wishes and desires. From the small, suitable for intimate gatherings, to the medium, the large, and the jumbo, which is the ultimate symbol of grandeur. We present a symphony of sizes to harmonize with your dreams. Whether gracing your garden, adorning your patio, or captivating visitors at events, our stone-based wishing wells are sure to add the wow factor and will easily be the focal point of any yard or garden oasis. Now please explore our comprehensive size chart, a treasure map guiding you toward the perfect size wishing wells for your needs. We unveil not only exterior dimensions, but also interior base measurements, empowering you to transform unsightly fixtures into hidden gems. Let our wishing wells conceal ugly sewer pipes, well heads, or any eyesores that mar the beauty of your outdoor haven. Immerse yourself in a palette of approximately 25 custom colors, a symphony of hues that will transform your wishing well into a breathtaking work of art. From classic colors to vibrant shades, the choice is yours. Envision any size wishing well, adorned in any color combination, a testament to your personal style. The possibilities and choices are endless, bound only by your imagination. The Lighthouse Man's artisans will meticulously craft your vision, ensuring that every detail is perfect. The possibilities are limitless, so let your dreams take flight. So what are you waiting for? Order yours today from the Lighthouse Man. We make the ordering process super easy with a 4-step process. Simply pick your stone and grout color for the base, and then pick your poly main and trim color. That's it, super easy. We at the Lighthouse Man are passionate about exceeding expectations. We don't settle for the ordinary. Instead, we go above and beyond to provide our customers with exceptional quality and unparalleled choices. So embark on a journey of beauty and craftsmanship, and let our handcrafted wishing wells add a touch of magic to your garden or outdoor space. I hope you found this video informative or helpful. If so, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Again, we make detailed product videos to help assist you so you get exactly what you're looking for. Remember, the Lighthouse Man is the leading manufacturer of custom-crafted lawn lighthouses and all lawn ornaments. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon.